Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GA4 series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll see what are dimensions and metrics in GA4. So without further ado, let's get started. So metrics and dimensions are the building blocks of Google Analytics that help you segment, organize, and analyze your traffic data. So let's dive into the distinction between the two and how they can be combined. Okay, so first of all, what is a dimension in Google Analytics? Dimensions are the attributes that can be used to describe and segment, organize, and sort data. Examples of dimensions include medium, browser, country, language, campaign, device category. Each dimension accepts different values. For example, the dimension device category indicates the type of device used to visit a website, accepts desktop, mobile, and tablet as values and can help sort traffic between the three devices. So here device category is dimension and desktop, mobile, and tablets are the values of this dimension. Okay, so we have two types of dimensions in Google Analytics, primary and secondary dimension. Each GA report comes with a pre-selected primary dimension that gives high-level insight into how the dimension performs in relation to a set of metrics. Across most reports, a full list of dimensions can be seen by clicking on Other in the primary dimension menu and scrolling through the drop-down option. To change the primary dimension, users can pick the most relevant one from the list of all available options. So while primary dimensions appear by default, secondary dimension can be added to further drill down into the data. For example, using device category as a primary dimension, your data can be sorted across the values of desktop, mobile, and tablet. Okay, so let's see how we can see practically our primary and secondary dimensions. So if I go to the traffic acquisition report, then we'll see those options are appearing by default. So this is called primary dimension. Session default, channel group, session source or medium, session source platform, and session campaign. So all of them are appearing by default. So that's why they are primary dimension. And if I click on this plus button and select any of them from here, then it will be counted as secondary dimension. So hopefully you have understood. Next, we'll see what is metrics. Metrics are expressed through numbers, number values, percentage, dollar sign, time in a Google Analytics report. They are quantitative measurements of data and show how a website is performing in relation to a specific dimension. For example, the number of users who came from desktop, mobile, and tablet devices and their average session duration are metrics for the device category dimension. So device category is dimension and their metrics are users, new users, session. So bounce rate is not available for GA4. So we'll see engagement rate. Okay. So yeah. So I will share this doc file with you so that you can study further about dimension and metrics in Google Analytics. Okay. So I'll put this link in the video description. So hopefully you have a clear understanding on what is dimensions and metrics in our Google Analytics. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye-bye.